Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. So you are wondering about Yin Yoga, the art of slowing down. Yes, it's a thing. Well, let us imagine this. You're rushing from one task to the next, trying to stay afloat in the whirlwind of life. But what if I told you there's a type of yoga that not only encourages you to slow down, but practically forces you to? Welcome to Yin Yoga, where the pace is so slow, you might even question if you're doing yoga at all. And that's exactly the point. What exactly is Yin Yoga? Yin Yoga is the ultimate antidote to our fast-paced, overstimulated world. If you've ever taken a traditional yoga class where you're constantly flowing from one pose to another, then think of Yin Yoga as the exact opposite. It's the mellow, slow-cooked version of yoga. In Yin, you hold postures for 3 to 5 minutes, sometimes even longer. The focus of Yin Yoga is on stretching and strengthening the deeper connective tissues of the body, like your fascia, ligaments, and joints, rather than your muscles. Think of it as working on the parts of your body that typically get ignored, but quietly support everything else you do. It's like finally remembering to take your car in for an oil change after driving for years. Yep, it's that kind of important. What makes Yin Yoga different? In traditional Yang Yoga, like Vinyasa or Ashtanga, you're moving, breathing, and building heat. Yin Yoga, on the other hand, is all about stillness and coolness. Quite literally, there's no focus on heating up the body. Instead, you're gently applying stress to the deeper layers of the body to increase circulation, flexibility, and range of motion. And no, you're not contorting yourself into pretzel-like shapes. Most Yin poses are done either sitting or lying down. If Yang Yoga is the sun, then Yin Yoga is the moon, bringing balance into your practice by emphasizing passive postures that allow gravity to do most of the work. Your job is simply to relax and breathe, although sometimes, even that's a challenge. The many benefits of Yin Yoga. You might be thinking, okay, I get it. Yin Yoga is slow and meditative, but what's in it for me? Glad you asked. Here are some of the key benefits that make this practice worth every minute, and trust me, holding a pose for 5 minutes feels like a lifetime at first. Increased flexibility. Yin Yoga helps to lengthen connective tissues, which can lead to improved flexibility over time. If you've ever wanted to touch your toes without wincing, this practice might be your secret weapon. Joint mobility. By applying gentle pressure to your joints and ligaments, Yin Yoga can help improve mobility. Think of it as oiling the hinges in your body. Stress relief. Holding poses for an extended period gives you space to relax into the stretch and into your thoughts. This meditative aspect can reduce stress and anxiety. It's like hitting the pause button on life, but without the endless Netflix binge. Better circulation. As you hold each pose, you encourage blood flow to the deeper tissues of the body, which promotes healing and rejuvenation. You're basically giving your body a much-needed tune-up. Emotional release. Since Yin Yoga is slow and introspective, many people experience emotional releases during the practice. Old emotions stored in the body can come to the surface, kind of like finding a forgotten box in your attic, only this time, it's filled with feelings instead of old clothes. Balances your yang energy. If you're always on the go, practicing Yin can help balance the active, outward energy, yang, we often live in. It's like the ultimate reset button for your nervous system. Is Yin Yoga right for you? Yin Yoga is for anyone who feels they could benefit from slowing down. So, probably all of us, right? It's especially useful for people who do a lot of high-intensity workouts, or who practice more vigorous forms of yoga and need to balance out all that yang energy. It's also a great option for those dealing with chronic pain or injury, as the slow, controlled movements are gentler on the body than other forms of exercise. The beauty of Yin is that you don't have to be a seasoned yogi to practice it. In fact, the more stiff and tight you are, the more you'll benefit. And don't worry if you're not used to sitting still for long periods. Yin Yoga is as much a mental workout as it is a physical one. In conclusion, slow down, you move too fast. Yin Yoga is like a long, deep sigh of relief for your body and mind. It teaches you to slow down, breathe, and embrace stillness in a way that feels grounding and restorative. So, if life's been moving at a pace that feels hard to keep up with, Yin Yoga might just be the slowdown you didn't know you needed. After all, sometimes the most productive thing you can do is, well, nothing. Are you ready to slow down and take care of yourself and really feel life in the moment? Well then, I highly suggest checking out the link in the description. Gain unlimited access to Yin Yoga classes and 2,600 plus other yoga and meditation classes for as little as $10 per month, beginner through advanced. Thank you for watching and feel free to subscribe for more tips about your health and wellness.